I have a big problem because whenever I film, I have to grab my DJI mic mini and my GoPro along with some other equipment, and that can be super hard to move around, also especially with traveling, especially when your GoPro case looks like this. So I 3D printed these two trays to fit in my GoPro case. So let's put this tray in right here and this tray in right here. GoPro goes right here. GoPro charger goes right here. 3 batteries. SD card. Also, you have some TF card slots. Screws. Some accessories right here. Some of these will go up the top. Cables. And you might be thinking, why is there an extra slot right here? Well, that is to fit my DJI mics. Now I have everything I need to film all in my GoPro case. Thanks for watching.